Welcome to maximizing your health with the Amzchef Slow Juicer ZM1501. Juicing has become an increasingly popular way to improve your health, and the Amzchef Slow Juicer ZM1501 is the perfect tool to help you do so. In this video, we'll be exploring how this slow juicer works, the benefits of juicing, and how it can help you live a healthier lifestyle. So, let's get started. Are you looking for a way to improve your health? Have you considered juicing? The Amzchef Slow Juicer is an excellent option for anyone who wants to incorporate more fresh fruits and vegetables into their diet. This slow juicer works by pressing the juice out of your produce, which helps to preserve more of the nutrients and enzymes that are essential for good health. One of the key benefits of the Amzchef Slow Juicer is that it's incredibly easy to use. All you need to do is prepare your fruits and vegetables by washing them and cutting them into smaller pieces, and then feed them into the juicer. The machine will take care of the rest, extracting the juice while leaving behind the pulp. So, why is juicing so good for you? The main benefit of juicing is that it allows you to consume a large quantity of fruits and vegetables in a single serving. This means that you can easily meet your daily recommended intake of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. Juicing can also help to detoxify your body, boost your immune system, and improve your digestion. If you're new to juicing, there are 5 essential keywords that you need to know. The first is cold-pressed. This refers to the method that the Amzchef Slow Juicer ZM1501 uses to extract juice, which involves a slow, gentle squeezing action that minimizes heat and oxidation. This helps to preserve more of the nutrients in your juice. The second keyword is organic. It's essential to use organic fruits and vegetables when juicing to avoid exposing yourself to harmful pesticides and chemicals. The third keyword is variety. To get the most out of your juicing experience, it's important to mix and match different fruits and vegetables to create a wide variety of juices. The fourth keyword is timing. It's best to drink your juice immediately after making it to ensure that you get the most nutrients possible. And finally, the fifth keyword is balance. While juicing can be an excellent way to improve your health, it's important to remember that it's not a replacement for a balanced diet. Thank you for watching Maximizing Your Health with the Amzchef Slow Juicer ZM1501. We hope that you've learned a lot about the benefits of juicing and how the Amzchef Slow Juicer can help you achieve your health goals. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.